Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add a location link to a Canva invitation card in 2026. Let's get started. First, open Canva with your invitation card. Then, remove the location written on the invitation card and type "For location," click here. Now select the "Here" text and click on the link option. You'll see a box where you need to paste the location link. Now open Google Maps and find the location you want to add to your invitation card. Select the location, then click on the Share button. After that, click on Copy to copy the location link. Go back to Canva and paste the copied link into the link box. Then click on Done. You'll now see that the Here text has become a clickable hyperlink. To download the invitation card, click on the Share button in the top right corner of the screen. Then select the file type as PDF and click on Download. Once the PDF is downloaded, open it and click on the Here text. You'll be taken directly to the location in Google Maps. And that's it. If you like the video, like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more helpful tutorials.